What do I start to say? Well, something like, okay, now we did a feeling with your face. Now I want you to do a feeling with your body. We'll put a bag on your head and you stand up and you show anger or you show shyness or things like that.
All right. So here we go. Just a little bit of ease here.
Okay.
And you're moving your head, aren't you?
Yeah.
All right. And now as you're waving your arms around.
Okay.
Yeah. Just do it.
That's much better.
That's right. What will happen, you'll do this instead of that.
Yeah, that felt much better back here.
That's right, because this, your body will come up in this direction. Do you sense that?
Yes, I do.
Yes, and then you can turn.
Okay.
Now move your arms.
Okay. And then oftentimes I have to raise my voice because they get excited and I have to say, now if you don't listen, you're not going to know what to do. And then I can feel myself straining. It's very difficult. I can't be specific. Everybody has come up with something very
I know,
specific.
you can't. You want the real thing.
Yeah, I do. I want the whole thing.
So what you're doing as you are waving your arms about.
Okay.
All right. I'll do something else.
Okay. Well, I'll raise my voice then and say, wait a minute, don't do that. Stop. Okay. But that is easier, Marge. My voice feels better here with you.
Yes.
What?
Your voice carries further.
Does it? Huh, okay.
So as we do this, now move your arms.
Okay.
That's it.
All right.
There you are.
That's much easier.
See?
Yeah.
And this is moving up a tiny bit. Now talk a bit without moving your arms. Just say
Okay.
what you want to.
Okay, this time let's make a sound. We've done face, we've done body, now we'll just do a sound. Not a line, don't say any words, just an angry sound or a sad sound or a bored sound. Okay?
Okay.
You're like the first graders, they all take angry. That was wonderful. I didn't know where that was coming from at first.
Does that help you?
It does. It does.
All right.
Thank you very much. I never thought about Alexander when I was doing it, and I should have. That would have been much more enjoyable.
Well, we'll get you there.
Thank you.